The FPS, GPU, CPU, and LAT overlay you see in the top right corner of your screen during gameplay is likely being displayed by RivaTuner Statistics Server, RTSS, which is bundled with MSI Afterburner. First, launch RTSS. You can find it in your system tray or by searching for it in your start menu. Once open, you have two primary options: temporarily disable the overlay or permanently remove it. To temporarily disable it, simply uncheck the Show On-Screen Display option in the main RTSS window. Alternatively, you can use the hotkey, which is often Ctrl F12, to toggle the overlay on and off. To permanently remove the overlay, set the global profile to Off under On-Screen Display, Global On-Screen Display within RTSS settings. Remember to apply the changes after making them. For a complete uninstall, you would need to remove both MSI Afterburner and RTSS via the control panel, but this will also eliminate your ability to monitor your system's performance. If the overlay persists after following the previous steps, there might be conflicts with certain games or applications. Ensure that RTSS is updated to the latest version, v7.3.4, as of December 2025 to resolve compatibility issues. Try enabling exclusive mode in RTSS settings, which can prevent conflicts with anti-cheat software or other overlay programs. In some cases, Windows security updates or stricter hooking policies by Windows Defender might block RTSS overlays, requiring you to whitelist the application. Also, consider using built-in game overlays such as NVIDIA Overlay or AMD Adrenaline's FPS Counter as alternatives to RTSS. Some games, especially those built with Unreal Engine 5, have integrated performance mesh displays. This reduces the need for third-party tools and offers a more seamless, appless experience. If issues still arise, community forums like Guru3D or Reddit's Arsh Overclocking can offer additional troubleshooting tips and solutions.